Aren't you good at speaking English? Do you want to be fluent in this? But how? To know the how, keep your eyes constant till the end of the video. This video is very informative for your speaking English, so please don't skip any part of this video. I'll be back after the intro. Hi friends, welcome back. Actually, practicing speaking is one of the most fun and rewarding parts of learning English. Once you can speak even a little English, there are loads of ways to improve your skill quickly while having tons of fun. Here I am going to talk about 10 best ways for improving your spoken English and having a great time while you do it. Number 1. Speak, speak, speak. Yes, always try to speak. Be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possibly can. Don't be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill like learning a new musical instrument or new sports. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. Now I am going to give you some suggestions. Make foreign friends to whom you have to speak in English. Create messenger or chat group. Remember, only chatting is not so much helpful in learning speaking English, so you have to speak regularly. Find the one who wants to improve his or her speaking English. Go live on Facebook or WhatsApp for practicing speaking English. Number 2. Use technology. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking, then look back to see how your English sounds to other people. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice time and make a note of all the new words you learned. Number 3. Use a dictionary. Use a dictionary on your smartphone. There are great dictionary apps that you can take everywhere with you on your smartphone. Use such a dictionary which has audio examples so you can check your pronunciation. Make sure not to become too reliant on these tools. Have a go at saying the words first, then check afterwards to see if you are right. Learn some new words every day. Choose some new words you would like to work on them and practice them in different sentences. Use the words until you learn them well and keep using them effectively and regularly. Number 5. Make friends. Make friends with English speakers or others learning to speak English and compare your notes. Talk about things that you have learned and exchange ideas. Number 6. Listen. What will you listen? Listen to news bulletins and songs in English. To listen to the pronunciation of words. You can learn new words and expressions this way. The more you listen, the more you learn. Try copying what you hear to practice your pronunciation and which words in a sentence are stressed. Number 7. Read out loud. Read the magazine or newspaper out to yourself. You could even find a script for your favorite TV show and act it out. This is a great way to practice your pronunciation because you only need to concentrate on making sure your English sounds great to other people and don't need to worry about sentence structure or grammar. Number 8. Watch films. Watch English movies and pay attention to new vocabularies and pronunciation. Imitate the actors and have fun on it. Number 9. Have a debate. Debate all the topics that interest you with your friends in English. Try to use as much vocabulary as you can to get your point across and listen to the other arguments carefully so you can argue against them effectively. Do interesting activities in English. Take a yoga course in English or join a language club. Anything you enjoy doing, make sure you do it and communicate in English. Using English to talk about things you enjoy will make practicing a positive experience. And finally, I'm going to talk about a different thing. Actually, Googling can be a powerful way to improve your spoken English as well as learning English. There are loads of articles, tips and strategies, videos, sample conversations to practice for speaking. So I think Google is also a great teacher and I term it as Google Sir. Yes, Google Sir. So with all these practice tips to choose from, which one are you going to try first? Friends, if this video helped you, then give a like to my video and share it for others. Please subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos from me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.